Hello guys and welcome. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do a kids clothing shop using Shopify. Now be sure to check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial, also a $1 for 1 month one-time deal. So without further ado, let's get going. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to click here on products and we're going to start uploading our products right here. We're going to click here on add product and we're going to start filling these blanks with the information of our product. For example, let's start with the title. I'm going to put dinosaur overall for babies. And right over here on the description, we have two options. We can either use the built-in AI of Shopify to make a short description, or we can use our AI of choice. For example, I'm going to use ChatGPT, which is my AI of choice. Once I have my description ready, I'm going to just paste it here, and we have our description. Now here on the media tab, we're going to click on upload new, and we're going to select the image of our clothing. As you can see, the image is going to be displayed right over here, and below it there's going to be a category which is going to be automatically applied by Shopify. If we click it, we can change it if we so wanted, but usually it is a correct category. Now here we have the pricing. For example, let's say that I'm going to charge 1500 pesos, and here below we have the cost per item. Let's say that this item is going to cost me 1000 pesos, so my profit would be of 500 with a 33.3 margin of profit. Here we have an inventory section. I'm just going to uncheck this because we're not going to keep track of inventory. If we are going to do any kind of shipping, here we have we can assign a weight for the product. I'm just going to skip it. And here we have another things we can add, such as the product type, our vendor, which collection we're going to add it. Be sure to add it to the home page. And here we can add tags if we so wanted. Once we have added and customized our product, we're going to click here on save. And as you can see, we're going to have our first product uploaded to Shopify. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click over here on add product, and I'm going to upload all the products that I'm going to have in my online store. Be sure to do the same, so I'll see you guys in a couple. Now, as you can see, I have added all of my products. I have here my bear overall, my dinosaur overall, a pastor overall, and a stitch suit for babies. So what I'm going to do next is we're going to customize our online store. So we're going to click here on online store, and it's going to redirect us to our online store section. Now, the first thing that we can change is the theme of the online store. Here, if we go to the bottom, you can see that we have a couple of free themes given by Shopify. And if we click here on visit theme store, it's going to redirect us to the Shopify theme store. Now here we have a lot of different themes which can better suit our website, but for me I'm just going to stick with the default one. So back over here, we're going to click here on customize, and we're going to have a lot of different sections to customize. Now if we click over here, you can see this thing outlined by a blue line. It's going to be called a section, and on the right there's going to be multiple options to further customize and change our section. Now what I'm going to do is we're going to change the image banner image. So we're going to click here on select image. Once we have selected the image, we're going to click here on done, and as you can see, the image of our banner is going to be changed. Now if we go down here on the right of the different options, we're going to see a lot of different things to further customize our banner, so feel free to play with them if you want. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to click here on our heading, and on the right I'm going to change the text that is going to be displayed. For example, I'm going to put welcome to my kids clothing shop, and as you can see, the text has been changed. Now let's say that we want to add a new section to our website. What we're going to do is we're going to go here on the left where it says template. We're going to click on add a section, and it is going to present us with a lot of different options for our section. For example, we have a featured collection, featured product, collections list, etc., etc. I'm just going to click on featured product, and here on the bottom there's going to appear a new section. Now I'm going to click it, and you can see here on the top right there's going to be a product selection option, so we can display it on our section. I'm just going to choose, for example, the dinosaur overall, and you can see the product is now being displayed on our website. Let's say, for example, that I want to change the section a little bit. I can change the color scheme right here. So, for example, I'm going to choose a darker color for my background. Now, let's say that we have added a section that we want to delete. For example, let's say I added here a featured collection. It's going to appear right below my featured product, and I want this section to be deleted. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click here on remove section, and the section is going to be deleted. We can also add sections here on our footer and on our header if we so desire. For example, here I can add a custom liquid and an announcement bar for my header. And another very important thing for about our header is this thing right here. This is going to display our store's name. So how do we change the name of our store? Well, for now we are going to save our changes. We are going to go back to the home page of Shopify, and we are going to click here on name your store. We're going to click here, and here we can give a name to our store. For example, I'm going to put kids clothing, and I'm going to click here on save, and as you can see here on the top right, our name has been changed. So we're going to go back to online store. We're going to click on customize, and as you can see, our header is now displaying our new name. So we're going to go back, and to see if everything is correct, we're going to click here on the three dots, and we're going to preview our website. Once we click preview, it's going to redirect us to our website, and here we can see that everything is looking just the way we want it. Now, the next thing that we're going to go over is the analytics and the marketing section. Now, this section is very important, guys, because it's going to show us a lot of different information, such as our total sales, our total orders, returning customer rate, which products are going to be the most popular amongst our customers, and a lot of other different things that are going to really help us to customize and manage our website all from the same place. Another very important thing that we can do is we're going to go over here to discounts, and here if we click on add discount, I'm going to choose amount of product. We can make our own customizable discounts to, for example, post on social media or gift to our friends. Now, for example, let's say that we want a code. We're going to click here on generate random code, and Shopify is going to provide one for us. If we want to have a customized code, we can either click here and, for example, let's say I'm going to put kids clothing 101, and that would be our customized code. Here we can choose which kind of discount is going to be. For example, I'm going to choose a percentage discount. That is going to be a 10% discount. And here on the applies to, we're going to click on browse, and we can choose which collection is going to be our discount to. If we keep going down, we can see that we can further customize our discount. For example, we can choose if there's going to be any minimum purchase requirements for it, the customer eligibility, the maximum discount uses, and if it can be have any combinations. Here on the very bottom we have we can set an end date to our discount. For example, if we wanted to be online only for a week, we can just click here, and it would have a 1 week time of life. Now, once we have customized our discount the way we want, we're going to click here on save discount, and now we would have the first discount available. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to check the link in the description for a 3 days free trial of Shopify, and also a $1 for 1 month one-time deal. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell, and I'll see you guys next time.